Imagine this. You open Google Maps, zooming in on a remote desert plateau. Roads appear, fences vanish into sand, and then nothing. A blur. A blank pixelated patch where geography itself seems to have been erased. But what if I told you this blank space isn't an accident? That it conceals one of the most secretive military installations on Earth. A base so well hidden it exists in full view, yet on no official maps. Welcome to Lost Map Files, where we expose the coordinates the world was never meant to see. Hidden bases are not new. During the Cold War, the US and the Soviet Union raced not just to control land and air, but to control information about land and air. The most infamous of these sites is Area 51, located in Nevada, first mapped by CIA surveyors in the 1950s. Yet for decades, the U.S. government denied its existence. On official aeronautical charts, it was marked as restricted airspace, but the land itself simply wasn't drawn. By erasing it from maps, they weren't hiding the base underground, they were hiding it in plain sight. In 2013, the CIA finally admitted Area 51's existence in declassified documents, but its details remain redacted. On modern Google Maps, users discovered blurred-out buildings, inconsistent shadows, and censored strips of desert. Similar anomalies appear worldwide. Kosvinsky Mountain, Russia. Suspected nuclear command bunker. Mount Yamantau, Russia's Urals. A base so massive it has its own underground rail system. Pine Gap, Australia. An NSA and CIA satellite facility, long missing from public maps. Each time, maps tell us as much by what they omit as by what they reveal. Here's how the censorship works. Public mapping services like Google Maps and Bing use satellite data licensed from providers. Governments can request sensitive sites be blurred, pixels scrambled, patched, copy-paste of terrain elsewhere, or outright deleted, replaced with blank desert. So when you see a perfect blur, it's not a glitch. It's intentional cartography as security. But here's what chills researchers. Some of these censored sites are massive. Satellite sleuths estimate Area 51 has expanded to over 38,000 acres, including new hangars the size of football fields. At Kosvinsky Mountain, radar signatures suggest tunnels carved deep into granite, hidden by forest cover. Yet all of them are missing from navigation apps. If you're standing at the gates, your phone's GPS might show nothing but empty wilderness. So the question is, what are we not supposed to see? This matters today because our maps, once trusted as objective truth, are now tools of power. If Google Maps can erase military secrets, what else might be hidden? Critical infrastructure, testing grounds, even political borders. In fact, in 2020, researchers found entire villages in China missing from satellite layers, while disputed islands in the South China Sea appear differently depending on which country you search from. Maps aren't neutral. They're controlled narratives. Pause and look closely. Can you spot the differences? Do you think this is hiding advanced aircraft, underground bunkers, or something else entirely? Drop your theory in the comments. We read everyone. The secret base hidden in plain sight is more than a Cold War relic. It's proof that in the digital age, truth itself can be blurred away, replaced by silence on a map. Next time on Lost Map Files, we'll investigate another anomaly, an island that appeared on maps for 200 years, until one day it vanished completely. Subscribe now to uncover the places we were never meant to find. Final quote, maps don't just show the world, they hide it too.